Here we have this 2017 17-plate Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG Premium Plus. Now this vehicle does come with over £3,000 worth of optional extras. Now included in this is the brilliant blue exterior paintwork, which really does make this car stand out from the rest, especially with the black accents. We have 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels. Now they are in the black chrome with the silver AMG calipers just behind. We have your LED headlights, the black Panamerica style front grille with the matching black front badge. Now we do also have the low life kits fitted to this vehicle, such as the front splitter, the side skirt extensions and also the rear spats. Now to add to all the wheels, we do have the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres all the way around this vehicle, so they are very, very grippy tyres indeed. We have your dual exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser and also the black tip. As you can see just up there we have your panoramic sunroof, which is currently open, black strip along the boot, and we also have a power assisted rear tailgate from a touch of a button. Now it reveals a nice spacious size boot for the size of this vehicle, with storage nets on the left and on the right hand side. There's also power assisted back down again from a touch of a button. Now stepping back, you can see this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now on the rear bumper and also on the sides just there we do have the PPF. It's a nice addition to having this vehicle to protect that paintwork. Looking in the rear, you can see we do have the half leather and half suede seats throughout this vehicle with the red seat belts, the red stitching and also the ISOFIX points just down there. Pull down armrests in the centre with 2 nice sized cup holders and also storage in the centre. Even more storage you get behind the passenger and the driver's seat. On the doors you do get your brushed metal trim, integrated premium Burmester sound system, red stitching and also your electric windows. Go to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now being the Premium Plus, both driver and passenger are fully heated, electric and memory. You have your premium integrated Burmester sound system, extended 5 support, brushed metal trim, electric windows and electric power folding mirrors. And there's a quick look at the driver's front seat, again with the red seat belts, and nice additions to have. Jumping inside the car, looking just over here, you have your keyless start, auto lights and also your parking sensors. Foot on the brake and press the button, you have your keyless start from a touch of a button. That awakens the 3 litre bi-turbo engine, which produces around 362 horsepower. Now I do have a multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift. If we set the car into manual mode, you have your cruise control and speed limiter stop with your electric steering wheel adjustments just down there as well. As you can see, the vehicle is free through the wall lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 34,000 miles. Now coming over to the screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. Now you also have your DAB radio, your media connectivity, so you do have your Bluetooth audio. You also have media interface 1 and 2. Now they are your USB ports. You also have your Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. Now on this vehicle we do get different drive modes, so you do get your Eco, your Comfort, Sport, Sports Plus and also Individual. Now pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera, and in the bottom right hand corner you have your front and rear parking sensors. On the screen just here as well you have your parking sensors just up there as well. Nice addition to have. Gloss black all over the centre of the console. You have your climate control just down here. Now you control it from here, and it's displayed at the bottom of the screen just there with your ice cold aircon. Pop this open, 2 nice sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and also storage just down there. You have your driving mode select, pop car to manual mode, so you use the paddle shift. You have your AMG ride control, so you do have your Comfort, Sports and also Sports Plus. You also track control, stops on and off and volume. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath as well, and you have this knob that controls everything that happens on the screen. Peering over to the passenger seat, you can see there's a quick look at it. Both seats are also heated, and I'll show you the process of them working. As you see, they do. Panoramic sunroof, touch your button just there, and it will then close. And again, I'll show you the process of it closing, so you know it works exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, just like so. Blinds open. You can also push up. It'll go on tilt and pull back down. It'll come and close. It's closed lines, so we push on that button again, and blind front and then rear will then both close simultaneously, and as you can see, both working exactly how you would expect it to. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free constant nationwide next day delivery. So HBI Clear comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this 2017 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG Premium Plus. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not modifying my steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, it's going straight into it, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift on the rear, which then counts in manual mode. Now just behind that we have the electric steering wheel adjustments and also your cruise control and speedometer store. Now to activate your cruise control, so we push down, it goes to the nearest miles an hour. Push up very slightly, it'll adjust by 1. Push up until feel a bit of a click, and it'll adjust to nearest 5 miles an hour. Now press the brake or push away on the stalk, and it'll then cancel the cruise control. Now you can pop the car into manual mode by using the paddle shift by changing down, so just drop down to 6th, 5th, 4th, into 4th, into 5th, and then to let the car go back into automatic mode, and simply let go or push down on the gear selector. Now throughout this vehicle we do have very comfortable seats. Now they are the half leather and half suede. The 2 front seats are also heated electric in memory, so for this cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference, as it is a suede seat that you're sitting on, so it isn't freezing cold like leather, and you can tap those heated seats on and within minutes your butt will be nice and warm. Now you have the extended fly spot just there as well. Now screen in the centre we have your satellite navigation. You can also find your Bluetooth meter, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio. We also have your rear reversing camera, your front and rear parking sensors. We have your gloss black and also your brush metal trim all over the interior of this vehicle with the red stitching matching the red seat belts. Now we do have the integrated premium Burmester sound system, which does sound absolutely incredible. Looking up, we have the panoramic sunroof. Currently the blind is just open, and just save any wind noise getting in and disrupting the volume of my voice. Now, if you're test driving in this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any wanted knocks or bangs, and if you're listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So right now, I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to follow me to stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the rear reversing camera. So I'm going to wait for a car to pass, and I'll pull in and do a countdown from 3. So I'll do 3, 2, 1. Hard and brakes straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. And you can see the camera just there. Back into drive again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this walk around video. Maybe test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.